is an opportunity to be aware of the importance of literacy and education. This year, the theme of Literacy Day is promoting literacy for a world in transition. I am excited to share some thoughts with you about the importance of literacy in our life. Literacy is not just reading and writing. It is the key to unlock knowledge, opportunities and empowerment. Literacy empowers us to communicate effectively, make decisions and participate fully in a developed society. So, what can we do as students? Read books. It expands our horizons and improves skills. Share knowledge with classmates and friends. Use technology for learning. Never stop learning. Keep expanding your knowledge and also encourage others. Literacy is a right, not a privilege. So, let us all work together for a bright future of world. Thank you. Jai Hind.